brake to the left, but looking right. Very late apex around this corner, so long way around. So the apex actually is here. Yeah. So as we come down here, I drive almost off the track, brakes right out wide, looking through your corner, then turn. That's it. So wait for it, build it, drive it up. This one up here is quite flat, almost off camber. So a little brake dab, gets the weight in, get him turned in. That's it, out wide. Same thing, little dab if you need it, get him turned. That's it. Right apex, drive it up through. Left apex. Drive it all the way through here, let it flow to the right. That's it, turn him in. And then good brakes on the left line, but looking right now. Late apex a little, let it flow out to the left. Now we're into our little complex. So slow him up. If you come in too quick on the initial, it'll bug you up for the second.
Yep.
So we want late apexes on each of these, so later. So we turn in early.
Okay.
So a little bit later on each of those.
Okay.
Now turn him in, look for it as it opens, start to build it, drive it all the way to the left. And brakes. So keep him out, late apex, turn him in, neutral throttle through here, so a little bit of throttle, that's it, build him up. From middle of road, left apex. Brakes to the right, just drag some brakes. That keeps the weight over the front for your turn in. Be patient in this bit. That's it. Over to the right side. Get him turned in. Build it. Stand on it. Full noise over here. Oops. And brakes. Look through your corner. Turn him in. Over to your left. Right apex. Hug the right apex. The left is much tighter. Pull it in, on the gas again, out wide, brakes to the right, looking left, turn him in, on the gas. Now I V this one off, so I brake out to the left, but looking right in a very late apex. Wait for it, so we turn in